What up YouTube, I'm back with another Rocket League video. I just released the Ford F-150 pack, so we're going to be trying that car out in some ranked 3s, seeing how it goes. Alright, and we're in. We got Monkey See, Monkey Do, and Mursuit on my team. That's easy. Thought he had. I'm wondering what sort of hitbox is on this thing, because I'm not sure. Going back boost. I don't know, the car feels good though. Like, it doesn't feel slow or anything, which is nice. Oh, you got that. Not backwards. Oops. Nice goal. I didn't mean to bump him there, but oh well. We still scored it. It worked out. It's a good start. Let's try to demo. Ooh, okay. Teammate with the sauce, and then they just own gold it. We'll take it. Getting carried right now. I don't mind getting carried. Go all the way back, be safe. No boost there, I'll take this back boost. Oh. Oh, I thought that was it. That's unfortunate. He just died. Power shot at the net. Didn't get it. Oh, that almost pinched in. That would have been sick. Oh, that guy. Ooh, a little bit of lag there. 50 that. Everybody missed it. Alright, go teammate. That. Oh, I missed. Alright. Oh, teammate got beat hardcore there. There's nobody else back, of course not. Yep. Unfortunate. Everybody there. Oh, tried to. time. Fight over the ball. Take their boost. They're messing each other up. Back off here. Let me go. Oh goodness. Back off that. Prepare for the sea. Oh. Oh. He's missing. Don't get baked. What a read. Get it over one guy. Get it over for my teammates. Back off. Oh, I couldn't try to pre-jump that. So we're up by like 7 boost. I tried to call the shot. Just couldn't get it. It's okay. Don't go AFK now, teammate. Stall it. Oh, that was a hit. Interesting. Alright. End OT. First match in OT was what happens. Oh! Let's save this part. Oh, I had it. Back, teammate go. This teammate needs to be moving up. He's probably playing extra careful because that's hardcore Shane. Probably playing extra careful because we're in OT. That doesn't mean we should stop rotating. Alright, big boomer. I'll open that. Yeah, it's over. Good bump. Fantastic win. Easy win. First match dub. Just like that. So far, I mean, this board seems pretty good. I'm liking it. It actually feels good. So, alright, into the next one. Alright, we're into the next one. We got Francis. Who else is going to be on our team? HSK Dunking. DHSK. Alright, what a name. Oh, just straight this. We call that a tactical fake in the business. Totally not just missing the ball. Nice. Honestly, I didn't expect my teammate to turn around, but really glad he did. It was a good shot. Started off strong. Cheetah. Oh, my teammate got beat bad there. I got no beans. Oh. Damn, what save. Perfect. Oh no, just missed it. Oh, top corner. Oh damn. That sucks that we couldn't finish that one. It's close. Steal this guy's boost. He missed. Okay. Oh, fuck. Alright. That was a weird hit. Teammate. Okay, good job. Sorry for the bump there. Yeah, I was in a horrible fucking position there. Either I own gold or he scored it. Why is my controller off? Controller just like turned off for a second. That was not cool. Messed up the kickoff, man. Gotta try to bump Francis. Good shot. See, they don't even need me. That's fine. Really? What a jerk. That's kind of ridiculous. Oh, one missed. It's unfortunate. Just pop that up. Teammate can get back to it. Okay, no. We're just letting go of the ball apparently. Go, Duncan. Good shot. Easy save though. Looks like that. Go all the way back. Grab some boost. Ready for a shot. Placement, easy shot, nothing fancy. It's how you win games. You gotta take the nice, easy shots. Stop trying to do quadruple flip reset, freaking backboard, anything, because that's not how you win games. It looks cool on paper, but it's not how you win games. There's so many people that are mechanically better than me, but just don't know how to play the game. And so they're stuck in plat and crap like that. It's like, you gotta learn how to play the game if you want to actually progress. Launched everywhere. Oh, okay. Guess I'll take the shot. I thought one of them was gonna go and shoot. Evidently no. And they scored off. Cool. Not what we were looking for. That's what we got. Okay. Teammates. Other teammate, you're gone. Cool. Why you gotta vote to forfeit? We're literally down 1, there's still a minute left. And you left the match. Cool. I hate people. That dude is in a horrible position. Should never sit in the middle of the net like that. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna play this match anyways. Just so I get my XP. Don't get a ban. Oh well, I know I'm not gonna win, but whatever. Alright, now that that's over, on to the next one. Alright, we're in the next one. Sir Fred and Trademark. What a name. I think I hit one of them there, but I wasn't for sure. Got it around. Tried to dunk him. Didn't work. Missed. Just gonna take this boost. Oh. Nice pinch from the teammate. Power shot. Unfortunate clear on that dude's part. Oh goodness. Oh, that guy almost demoted me. I almost demoted him. Oops. Sorry dude, you're in the way. Teammate. Oh. Thought I had that. Clearly I did not. Go back, I'll be last man. Has to hit. That's close. Oh, I just missed it. Damn. Got no boost. Oh, they were both turned the other way. Ooh, that's not ideal. Goodness. Trying to demo me. I got no boost. I'm almost supposed to defend this. Try to demo me. It's not nice. Teammate. There he goes. Yeah, pre-jump. I don't know why I heard that teammate. Going for a demo, it seems. Oh, of course, yeah. That could have been a nice shot. Alright. Whatever. It doesn't matter how clean it was, as long as we end up getting it. Yeah. Sir Fred is out for blood, man. Oh, real ones. But they're not now. Bumped him off. He's probably pissed. I know I hate when that happens. Okay, yeah, horrible position. I know. He's going for bumps. Okay. Trademark, that's all you do. Cool. Got the win. Sick. Alright, well, that was the third game. So, thank you all for watching. This new car is overpowered. I'm gonna start using it every single game now. Alright. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.